In this question, we are given that out of 150 houses in a certain development, so the total number of houses in the development project is equal to 150. We are given that 60% have air conditioning and 50% have sun porch, 30% has swimming pool. We are given that out of these 150 houses, 5 of the houses have all of the 3 amenities. That means the number of houses who have air conditioning and sunroof and swimming pool is equal to 5, and 5 have none of them. So the number of houses having no amenity is equal to 5. We have to find out the total number of houses that have exactly 2 of the amenities. Now, in step 2, let's draw an entity diagram to represent the data in the question. So, if this first entity represents the number of houses that have air conditioning, the second entity here represents the number of houses who have sun porch, and the third entity here represents the number of houses who have swimming pool. Then, since we know the total number of houses, we can find the actual number of houses who have air conditioning, which will be equal to 60% of 150. This is equal to 60 by 100 times 150, which equals 90. Similarly, the number of houses which have a sun porch is equal to 50% of 150. This is equal to 50 by 100 times 150, which is equal to 75. And the number of houses which have swimming pool is equal to 30% of 150, which is equal to 30 by 100 times 150, which equals 45. Here, the total number of houses which have the amenities of air conditioning or sun porch or swimming pool is equal to 90 plus 75 plus 45. This is equal to 210. Now, if we name the regions as A, B, C, D, E, F and G, we can write that A plus B plus C plus 2 times D plus E plus F plus 3 times G is equal to 210. Since this gives us all the houses which have the amenities of air conditioning or sun porch or swimming pool. Again, we have that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G should be equal to total number of houses minus the number of houses which have none of the 5 amenities. Now this gives us 145. Now moving on to step 3, we can calculate the value of the number of houses which have exactly 2 of these amenities. So basically we have to find out the value of D plus E plus F. Now when we subtract the 2 equations, suppose this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. When we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we get D plus E plus F plus 2G equals 65. Now we know the value of G is equal to 5. Therefore, D plus E plus F should be equal to 65 minus 2 times 5, which is equal to 65 minus 10. This gives us the value of D plus E plus F, which is equal to 55. Hence, the correct answer is option D, as this represents the total number of houses which have exactly 2 of these amenities.